Hello, welcome back to Mark's House and Garden UK. Colocasia Esculenta Taro, or elephant's ear plant. Do you remember last year, the back end of last year, late autumn, I went to an Asian supermarket in Stoke-on-Trent and bought some taro bulbs. Now, taro is a food crop in many parts of Asia. It's a staple food crop. But I'd learned that if you went and bought some taro bulbs and planted them, there's a good chance, like potatoes, they will grow. So I went and bought 4, I think, and planted them in this tub. And I've had that in that tub in the garage on a heat mat, very low temperature all winter. I've not let it dry out, but I've not overwatered it because I didn't want the bulbs to rot. It's now April. I was about to give up on this. I've done this before with Colocasia Esculenta. I nearly gave up on them once before and suddenly they sprouted. And in this video, I'm going to give you an update because I was about to put that big tub of compost on my compost heap and give up on my taro experiment. But I'm glad I didn't, because this morning I've looked at the surface of this soil and this is what I've found. Can you see it? Just there, just at my fingertip, a tiny little pink shoot just emerging from the surface of the soil. And that is what I remember seeing last time I gave up on my Colocasia Esculenta. That evidence of a growing plant beneath the surface. So there we go. I think there are 4 bulbs in there. The others might be making their way to the surface as we speak. How exciting is that? I'm going to place that tub over here in my exotic tropical border and just give it a few more weeks and let's see what happens. So there we are, shop bought taro, bulbs planted and growing. Imagine if they turn into those large elephant-leaved plants. If you want to see the original video where I planted them, I will link to it at the end of this one. But for now, fingers crossed we get some more and eventually they will go in the ground. I have got a Colocasia Esculenta in this border which has survived outside for 2 winters. So these plants could be hardy in the UK under the right circumstances. I'll see you soon for some more Colocasia taro bulb adventures. Bye for now.